Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to count distinct values in Power BI using DAX. This is super useful when you want to know how many unique entries are in a column, like the number of unique clients, products, or transactions in your dataset. Power BI makes it easy to count distinct values with functions that look at a column and only count each value once, ignoring duplicates. This is great for getting a clear picture of your data without double counting repeated entries. For example, if you have a sales dataset, you can quickly see how many unique products were sold or how many unique customers made purchases over a period of time. You can also use distinct counts with filters, so you're counting only specific categories, dates, or conditions in your data. This allows you to get very targeted insights and makes your reports much more meaningful. Once you apply this in your tables or visuals, your dashboards become cleaner and more informative for decision making. And that's how you can count distinct values in Power BI. If this helped, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Power BI tips and tutorials.